What's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a townhouse today, and you can see water in the laundry sink. But the good thing is the vent has been cut, so we're gonna take that vent off, or take that coupling off, snake it down, and see if we clear it up. Perfect. So nothing came back on the cable. See, the water's draining. Now the way these are set up, this is your laundry sink drain. Come up from in there, comes over, ties into this stack. This is the vent that we just snaked. It goes down, comes over to the main drain for the kitchen. Now there is a clean out on there, but we like to cut this vent up here so that if this sink was ever full, we could go from here and all this water wouldn't be over the floor. So anyway, that goes down, and then right in the floor level, you can see the corrosion on that pipe. That's gonna break probably within the next year or two, maybe sooner. Oh, it depends on if it gets hit or whatnot, or if they use acid in the drains. So just be aware when you use acids and the corrosion, the drain will break eventually. But anyway, this is the kitchen line from upstairs, and this is the vent line. So there you go, guys, nice and easy one. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jay, that drain guy. We're in a townhouse today. Laundry tub's obviously backed up. So this laundry tub, this is the kitchen line, this is the vent, everything connects down here. So we're going to be cutting the vent above the sink level, and so that, because there is a clean out down there, if we open up that clean out, all this water is going everywhere. We make a cut on the vent line above the sink level, that way no water comes out. They can use the sink upstairs, no issue, but the problem is going to be below this point. So we're gonna cut the vent, snake it down, clear it, and get everything running. coupling it back together, and everything will be good. Let's get at it. We're going to be using the Milwaukee M18. So, you'll notice the water is going down slowly, but I also have the water running. Just a little bit of lint. So now I'm going to coupling this back together. You can hear the water running. Well, I shut it off now, but yeah, sounds about right. Alright. Show you this once more. There you go, guys. This has been Jay, that drain guy, signing out. Trogna.